This smart interior door handle is an interesting solution because it is convenient for children, people with disabilities, and the elderly. The trick is in the patented anti-lock technology, because of which the handle will last for generations and the lock will not get jammed. The shape of the handle is based on a long-term study of palms, and not in vain the product was recognized at the Good Design Award in South Korea. According to the developers, these handles are also safer in an emergency because during fires, the handles become hot and cannot be used, but you can push the minder handles with any object to open the door. The price for this device starts at $50. A heavy load transport platform, the engineers at Marvel write modestly that it offers 198,416 pounds of payload, up to 98 feet in length, accuracy up to plus or minus 1.2 inches, and a simple remote control. And thanks to the Cuckoo navigation solution, the platform can navigate on its own, even without markings, and can move independently in all directions. On top of that, you can choose from 10 versions, and then supplement them with the necessary modules for specific tasks. According to the team behind this one-of-a-kind project, these are 6 special spheres located on the seabed near the Italian coast. The spheres float at depths ranging from 15 to 36 feet, and over 600 crops grow in them. The system is self-sufficient, as it uses solar power and desalinates seawater. Strawberries, tomatoes, zucchini, and herbs have been successfully grown here. The project was established in 2012, but it was hit by a major hurricane in 2019. Then the pandemic broke out, and the plants were left unattended for a while. Fortunately, the team resumed work in 2021, which is fantastic because there are no other systems like this in operation anywhere in the world. How frequently do we consider how effectively we breathe? According to its creators, this device will educate you to maximize every breath and will be useful for sports, diving enthusiasts, and even brass band members. 30 repetitions are sufficient for an effective workout lasting 4 to 5 minutes, according to the manufacturers, and the benefits can be seen in everyday life as well. Furthermore, the device is compact or easily fit in a bag or backpack and is made of silicone rubber, and the commercial featured Bas Rutten, a former kickboxer from the Netherlands and UFC heavyweight champion. The price for the device is $69. If you've ever tried to type a long text on a smartphone or tablet, you'll know that it's not very practical. Although these devices provide such an option, they lack in typing comfort and speed. The solution is this unusual keyboard. The creators promise that after training, your typing speed will be only 20 slower than on a conventional keyboard. Training and getting used to it takes about 10 hours. The usual quality keyboard's main keys are located under the left hand, while the less important keys are located under the right hand. Additionally, the keys are located on the back of the device, and the user sees only semi-transparent icons. The creators sought funding on Kickstarter, but were unable to meet their objective, owing to the $250 price tag. Going camping means more than just fresh air and recreation. It also means figuring out how to get everything you need there. For example, in many campsites, car traffic is limited, and many beaches are inaccessible by car. Fortunately, new inventions emerge every day, and this electric monowheel is the next big thing. The model is ideal for off-road transportation and will hold 200 pounds of cargo. The innovative design allows you to store parts of your load inside the wheel, while the top part can be used as a table. The debris-resistant rolling feature will protect it from twigs, rocks, and sand. The wheel is made of special foam and weighs only 25 pounds when empty. The price is planned to be set at around $300. Kickstarter patrons liked this project so highly that it raised nearly $650,000 with a $10,000 target. The post-pandemic era has arrived, and many people have made arrangements to return home to see family and friends, continue work trips, or embark on new adventures. The maker is correct in offering a transformer suitcase that will assist you throughout short business trips or long excursions. During testing, the suitcase was so robust that a person could easily stand on it. It survived a drop from a height of 35 inches and the wheels rolled for 10 miles without braking. The essential feature is the rapid size modifications, which offer heights of 16, 22, and 26 inches, as well as optional packing. The cube set lets you pack safely and intelligently, so you don't have to unload half your suitcase looking for a spare shirt. It costs $240. The future is literally at your fingers. The author came up with the idea for these prosthetics while still in school, and today he presents a final product that is interesting for more than one reason. First, an incredible level of customization is available. Size, color, and other details can be chosen at home, as the company is willing to send the proper equipment. Second, an array of 36 ultra-precise sensors provides 360-degree coverage, and the TrueSense technology makes wearing it as comfortable as possible. Finally, the company works without intermediaries and offers a 30-day trial clinical support and personalized pricing. As some publications write, you can buy this prosthesis for $8,000. This development is no less beneficial. It helps to clean bodies of water and also makes them look nicer. After all, according to WHO statistics, contaminated water is the cause of approximately 80% of diseases in the world. These floating islands are used in many countries around the world, and there are two types of them: dry and wet. The difference is that in the first case, the plants will not come into contact with water, allowing them to grow larger specimens. When properly located, these islands also serve as a haven for fish and birds, as well as helping to stabilize the reservoir's ecosystem. One of the island's most unusual components is coconut fiber. Farmers in southern Bangladesh have been growing vegetables this way for hundreds of years, notes one observer. Next on the list is a super weapon that can truly penetrate steel, although it was designed for firefighters and rescuers rather than the military. The lance produces a pressure of 1,000 pounds per square inch, which is enough to pierce through a concrete block in a few seconds, and water mist on top of that. The technology saves water. 20 gallons per minute is enough to extinguish a fire, whereas conventional methods consume about 120. And considering that new fire trucks are expensive, for example, they cost about $750,000 in the United States. There is another huge advantage: this system can be easily installed on even an ordinary pickup truck. Well, the future is already here, and everyone can buy it. For the time being, it can only be installed in houses, but it is the world's only elevator system that uses pneumatic technology. The designers claim that their solution is cheaper than traditional elevators, and it also works more smoothly. The available models have a capacity for up to 3 people and a special version for wheelchairs with a maximum capacity of 525 pounds during the ride. And the installation will take only 2 to 3 days without the need for a separate engine room. Additionally, the elevator is compatible with smart home systems and can run on solar power. DUS, which resembles gum or Plato, is a universal repair and building aid. A self-setting rubber with some intriguing features. After taking it out of the package, the material remains elastic for about half an hour before hardening and becoming stiffer, resembling rubber while retaining its damping properties. Additionally, the material adheres well and holds firmly, is resistant to boiling water, and is dishwasher safe, withstands temperatures ranging from -76 to +356 degrees Fahrenheit, and does not conduct electricity, and has numerous applications ranging from repairing broken objects to creating convenient handles and patches. Hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification for future videos. Thanks.